Using the Venn diagram, find X union Z complement intersection Y. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question wants us to use the Venn diagram to find the members that belongs to X union Z complement intersection Y. The three sets we have are X, Y, and Z. To get the members that belongs to X union Z complement intersection Y, we first have to identify the region that is described by X union Z complement intersection Y. X union Z complement intersection Y means that the region that we are talking about excludes X and Z. So when we consider these three circles, we will exclude X and Z. When we exclude X and Z, the region that we will be left with is the region that I have shaded yellow. So the members that belongs to X union Z complement intersection Y will be in the region that I have shaded yellow. As you can see from the Venn diagram, we have only one member in that region, and that is 8. So it means that from the Venn diagram, X union Z complement intersection Y is 8. When we look through the options we have, we can see that the correct one is A.